DroneAcharya operates four main business models in the drone industry: drone education, manufacturing, services, and data collection. Starting with drone education, DroneAcharya sells training programs to both individuals and businesses. For individuals, they offer focused on drone safety, regulatory compliance, and pilot skills. All courses are DGCA approved, meaning that they meet national standards, and this certification can help individuals find employment in the drone industry or qualify them to operate drones as a hobby. For businesses, DroneAcharya offers training for employees, including industry specific drone solutions and drone operations for security purposes. Next is manufacturing, where DroneAcharya plans to produce drones for agriculture, first person view drones, and CubeSats, small satellites. Although these manufacturing plans are in place, DroneAcharya has not yet started production. Moving on to drone services. DroneAcharya provides both industry specific and general use drone services. These include drone delivery, surveillance, mapping, and underwater inspection services. Starting with drone delivery. This service is used in sectors like e commerce, healthcare, and logistics, facilitating the transportation of items like medical supplies, packages, and essential goods. Drone mapping is another service, supporting applications like urban planning and conservation to detail aerial imaging. Surveillance services are offered for sectors such as law enforcement and event security, allowing for real time monitoring and crowd management. Finally, data collection is another area where DroneAcharya provides services. This involves using 3D mapping and collecting geographic information system (GIS) data, processing it, and applying it across industries like agriculture and construction. DroneAcharya has also acquired DroneEntry, a company that provides similar products and services. The main difference is that DroneEntry is headquartered in Thailand and also sells drones and drone components, made by both its own brand and third party brands. Additionally, DroneEntry is primarily focused on software as a tool, which complements DroneAcharya's broader portfolio. Now let's do a financial analysis. For the year ending March 2020, DroneAcharya reported zero sales with an operating profit of minus 0.02 crore. The PBT and PAT were also minus 0.02 crore. By March 2021, sales were 0.01 crore with expenses rising to 0.16 crore, leading to OPM of minus 0.15 crore with the same PBT and PAT. In March 2022, sales jumped to 3.59 crore and expenses was 3.02 crore. This resulted in an OPM of 0.57 crore and an operating profit margin of 15.88%, with a PBT of 0.55 crore and a PAT of 0.41 crore. For March 2023, sales reached 18.57 crore with expenses at 13.56 crore and an operating profit at 5.01 crore, reflecting an operating profit margin of 27%, with a PBT of 4.64 crore and a PAT of 3.43 crore. Finally, by March 2024, sales has grown to 34.90 crore with expenses at 24.2 crore. Operating profit was at 10.3 crore, giving an operating profit margin of 29.74%, with PBT at 8.44 crore and PAT at 6.18 crore. These financial metrics show strong growth, but there are still concerns. Return on equity, return on capital employed, and return on assets are relatively low. Another key issue is that the high debtor days, which means customers, when they take a loan from DroneAcharya to pay for DroneAcharya's products or services, on average take 301 days to pay back what they owe. This is especially problematic because DroneAcharya has 28 crore tied up in receivables. Now, let's analyze DroneAcharya's pros and cons, starting with the pros. Firstly, the drone sector in India is expected to grow significantly, with a projected CAGR rate of 26.26% until 2030. As companies enter this market due to the high CAGR rate, many will need skilled workers, and DroneAcharya's focus on education makes it well positioned to benefit from this demand. In addition, the drone service and education segments are expected to grow at a CAGR of 45.42% until 2030, further supporting DroneAcharya's business. DroneAcharya also has an advantage by entering the drone education market early, allowing it to capture market share ahead of potential competitors. Moreover, DroneAcharya is also an extremely diverse business, with 4 different revenue streams across B2B, B2C, and B2G segments. This helps reduce its dependency on any single source of income. The company has also established numerous partnerships, including international collaborations and export orders, which strengthen its brand and extend its market reach. Looking ahead, DroneAcharya is aiming for substantial revenue growth, targeting a 200% increase in sales in FY25 and further growth in following years. However, there are also challenges. Beyond the financial risks already mentioned, the main challenge is regulatory risks. As drone usage is heavily regulated, and any changes in drone policy could impact the business. This is not an investment recommendation, nor should any graphic or audio be interpreted as such. This video simply presents information about DroneAcharya and its products, financials, risks, and prospects for educational purposes. Always conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.